Hi guys, it's Gina. As you know, I love Estee Lauder perfumes, and this one is extra special to me. This is Estee Lauder Pleasures, and this was always my mom's favorite. Every time I spray it, every time I get a scent of it, it instantly brings back thoughts of her. It's amazing how a scent can do that. Pleasures is a light fragrance that isn't overbearing. It just smells clean and beautiful, a little bit floral. I really love wearing this, I would say any time of day, but especially during the daytime and even like on the weekends if I'm just hanging out. This is probably the scent that I would pick up if I want something light. It feels timeless. It's just a beautiful fragrance that isn't too heavy. As you can see here, I have it in two different sizes. And I think if I actually went and looked, I think I even have the smaller size that I throw in my makeup bag. So again, this is Estee Lauder Pleasures. It's a beautiful, clean scent, a classic, and one I think you definitely want to give a try.